Hi, welcome to module 1 of this online workshop. So this is one of my online stores, and this store retails Goli, the Goli supplement from Goli Nutrition. There are 4 variants of this Goli product. We have the Goli apple cider vinegar, we have Goli ashwagandha, Goli super fruits, and Goli super greens. You can see how it is being laid out here with buttons that lead to the product category or the product page. And if I scroll down, you will see we have a video here, and then we have the products with product images, price, and also a button that takes you to the product page. And notice how I used the product color to depict the price and the buttons. I love playing with colors when designing anything, not just websites. And I tend to not overuse colors, especially colors that are outside my brand or product. So that's one thing you need to keep in mind. It is also part of the psychology of selling. And if I scroll further down, you would notice how I try to combine 2 different products. I call this category the variety pack. So people can order these 2 at once for this price. And there was a particular month that this variety pack sold the highest, because when we get to the back end of this website, I'm going to show you the best performing products and how you can monitor all of those analytics from your dashboard. And the way this website works actually is pretty standard. It's a standard online store with an actual shopping cart. So if I click on this product, for instance, it's going to take me to the product category where I also combined the different products, because for example, if I open up this product page, I will be able to select the quantity of product I want to order. But sometimes you want to reduce that stress for your website visitors by giving them options to buy 2 or 3, 4 or 5 as the case may be. So I decided to combine 2 products and 3 products. So if you want 2 of these products, you click on the 2-month supply. You either add to cart if you want to buy other products or other variation, or you click on buy now and it takes you direct to the checkout. So same thing applies for the 3-month supply. So I'm going to click on buy now for the 1-month supply. So you get this notification that says the 1-month supply has been added to your cart, which is over here. Okay, and you have your order basket here. You can increase the quantity if you want. Most people tend to skip this, which is why I combined those products the way I did in the previous page. So automatically the site detects that I'm in Lagos and it offers me shipping to Lagos. I can decide to change this address if I'm buying for someone else in another state. And once I'm done, I can click on proceed to checkout. But then I'll go back to the product page, so I'll show you what I wanted to show you. So currently I have 2 reviews on this, but a lot of sales have been made from this actually. Nigerians just don't like leaving reviews. So I don't know if it's the same thing in your own country if you are not in Nigeria. So here you have some health benefits highlighted here as bullet point. Just a typical shopping cart, and below the product image you have the gallery with supplement facts and some other graphics. And then if you scroll down, you get a full detailed product description, which is very important. You need to make your product page as descriptive as possible, and adding graphics like this would help as well. And over here you have a link to the health benefits in details as well, which is also a beautifully designed page. So basically, if anyone comes to this product page and then they click on buy now, it will skip the cart and take you directly to the checkout. So here you can enter your billing details, your first name, your last name. Currently I'm selling this product only in Nigeria. So if you're in a country like Ghana or South Africa, you can also set from your settings on the dashboard to sell only to the countries you are capable of delivering to. But since this is a side hustle to me and I don't really put in 100% of my time, I just choose to sell only to my country. And when your customer fills out all of these billing details, they can choose to pay bank transfer on delivery or pay online. So for your own online store, you can decide to leave only the pay online option. But personally, bank transfer on delivery or payment on delivery option works for me. And if you are in Nigeria, you would understand that payment on delivery is what a lot of customers always request for when buying things online. I do the same, so I understand totally, which is why I offer this option. Most times I like to see what I ordered, because most of these online vendors, they can send you a product you did not order because they don't have that particular one, and then they will expect you to be okay and accept the product. I don't do that personally to my customers, but I know that happens a lot because I also buy things online as well. But that's by the way. So if you decide to keep only payment online, then that's fine. That's your personal preference. So once all that is done, then the customer can click on place order and the order will be sent. And also you notice this little pop-up that comes up by the bottom right or the bottom left of the screen. It shows you the actual orders that have been placed on this site. So if there's a new order, it queues it up here and then pops it up for other people to see that people are actually ordering for this product. So why am I showing you all of this? I'm showing you this because it is very important for you to keep track of your product, your orders, and also your customers. And this is how a typical online store should operate. Some people create their landing page and then use form builders like WP forms to create sort of like an order form. So people fill out that form, which looks something like this: their first name, last name, their street address, their state and phone number, and then email, and then they'll click on submit form. Using a form is good actually, but it will not give you those pro online store features like a shopping cart will. I'm going to explain all of this when we get to the back end, when I show you the back end of this website. So this site runs on WooCommerce, which is a plugin for e-commerce on WordPress. And if you don't know what WooCommerce is or WordPress is, I have a free training on WordPress that you can go through that training and you would be very familiar with how WordPress works. So I will leave a link below this video to that particular training. And also, if you have any issues with understanding anything I'm saying and you want further clarifications, you can also contact me via my website. Click on the contact button and then send me a message, and I'll try to find a way to help you understand all of this. And also, if you're a very busy person and you don't have time on your side to look into all of this online stuff, and you want someone to help you create a very nice website that works and can accept orders and manage your inventory with a mobile app also that helps you look into your online store on the go, then you can go to the questionnaire page on my website and then answer the questions there. Tell me what you want me to do for you in terms of creating your online store, and once you submit that questionnaire, I would get back to you to discuss further about your online store. So this is where I would end this lesson, and in the next module we are going to look at the back end or the dashboard of this website. So I'll see you in the next lesson.